Imagine turning heads and sparking confidence in women everywhere just by owning your curves unapologetically. That is the magnetic impact Kristal Heredia has created as one of Instagram's most influential curvy fashion voices. If stories of bold self-love and stylish empowerment already light you up, subscribe to Curvyverse right now to stay connected with more inspiring biographies like this one. Kristal Heredia grew up in Connecticut as a proud Boricua surrounded by 3 older brothers, an upbringing that built her resilience and leadership from an early age. Born on October 18, 1995, she now stands at about 5 feet 1 inch tall and carries her natural figure with effortless grace. Based between New York City and Connecticut, she embraces life fully as a wife, a devoted mother, and a celebrated icon in the digital space. With more than 650,000 followers on Instagram under the handle Kristal Heredia, Kristal shares fashionable outfit inspirations, relatable everyday moments, and empowering content that resonates deeply with curvy women. Her posts celebrate body positivity while offering practical style tips, from affordable finds to elevated looks that make motherhood feel fierce and fun. She has openly discussed her journey, including giving herself grace during times of change like quarantine weight fluctuations, and later sharing triumphs, such as losing 60 pounds while still prioritizing self-acceptance over perfection. In 2021, Kristal took her influence further by founding Mujeres Social, a talent agency where she serves as Chief Executive Officer. Through this venture, she uplifts diverse creators and pushes for greater inclusivity in social media and beyond. Her partnerships with major brands amplify voices for curvy representation worldwide, ensuring the next generation, including her own daughter, sees authentic, proud images of women who look like them. Kristal's mission remains clear: to be the representation she wished she had growing up, fostering a community rooted in confidence, authenticity, and unfiltered joy. What makes Kristal truly stand out is how she blends entrepreneurship, motherhood, and advocacy into a seamless, relatable presence. She proves that curves belong on every stage, from family life to high-profile campaigns, inspiring followers to embrace their own paths without apology. If Kristal Heredia's journey has sparked something powerful in you, hit that subscribe button on Curvyverse so you never miss the next story celebrating curvy excellence. Share in the comments what part of her path spoke to you most. Thank you for spending time with us on Curvyverse. Your story matters, and your confidence inspires the world. Now picture stepping into a world where every curve tells a story of strength, elegance, and fearless beauty. Florence Clara embodies that vision as a leading British curvy influencer redefining fashion from London. If these tales of body-positive triumph move you, subscribe to Curvyverse today and become part of our growing community, discovering fresh curvy inspiration every week.